Hello everyone, welcome to Interview Mastery 3.14. This channel try to guide you and help you in learning and get better placement what you are looking for. We are working on such playlist which not only help you in exam but also help you in getting campus in and out placement. The motive of each playlist is that you get right track for a specific technology which mostly company considers a skill. In this playlist, I am starting with SQL. So, before starting SQL, I want to know what you guys understand from data. In real world, we always play with data only. Everything we can call data, but some are unuseful, some are useful. So in corporate world, we consider data as a useful information which we can store for future references. So now we are storing the data. We can't store every data in folder and file format. To store specific data of company or any other field, we require database from we are using useful data in particular format. Now suppose we have kitchen. We store everything in kitchen? No, we can't store our shoes, our luggage in kitchen. Right? So we need to keep the right thing at right place. Another example, we can say that we can't put everything in car. Whatever the useful things for car which we require during driving time, or we can say that when we are doing party inside the car. Now two things. First thing, suppose you are a guest at other home. When you are visiting some person, your friend or your relative's home, you can't say that like you know each and everything where that person placed it. You need to take permission. So in real world or in corporate world, we can say that every authorization or authentication to take everything. So we do those things in particular format. So here I am targeting SQL so that you can also talk with database. And once you started talking, you will find easy to learn and you will enjoy to play with queries. So starting with the SQL, and like most of the people get confused what is SQL and what is MySQL. MySQL is a tool where we write the SQL query. SQL query is nothing, it is a structured query language which interact with database to fetch or to modify the data. So whenever we are learning or whenever we are doing, we need to know the purpose and reason for learning and doing it. So we can say that data is everywhere and mostly in database. Maybe the most important skill as data analyst, data scientist, business analyst. So once you are learning data, you can become data analyst, data scientist, machine analyst, and like for software engineer also, you need to understand SQL. Even for any field in IT, SQL is one of the most full weapons to play with it. So in this course, I divide in three parts. First part for basic, where I covered type of basic query and their filter, and aggregate function and their filter. Then second part I am covering intermediate, where I cover joins, normalization, subquery. In advanced part we will talk about transition and optimization, which are very important topic for Microsoft, Google and other big companies. I will try to add on more things in each and every session with example so that you guys can get better understanding on it.